I didn't have the Epiphone custom shop water slide decal, so I went with the Gibson custom shop, which is basically the same thing. I'm sure the customer's not going to be offended by that. So the reason I go the route that I go, there isn't a speck of epoxy, just used hide glue, the big wide 3/8 inch mahogany splines. And one of the trickiest parts in this job is to duplicate the original form, you know, up to the cuff, both sides, and the flow into the headstock, and end up with a neck that feels exactly like it felt before the guitar broke. And that's why these neck surgery kits have done so well. For the price of the neck surgery kit of $340, including shipping for North America, you do one job, the thing's paid for. Just show you the other side. And this compensated nut is for 10 to 52, tuned down to E flat. Complete fret job, corrected the fingerboard. Time to take this girl for a test drive.